Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we have a special guest, and I'm so happy and proud that she's outside today. And that's my lovely and beautiful wife, Chanel.
Hi everyone, I'm Chanel. I'm helping Rich in the garden today.
And we are outside today. Basically, we're gonna do a starter kit because this is a beginner guide just for her, so she can, get some plants down in the ground. Basically, the raised bed. And the starter kit is, we bought this.
This the white SUPERTUNIAS,
And
right?
yeah, and Silver
Yeah.
Fall is basically blend together into one pot. And we're just gonna plant it down. So there's nothing really you have to do right here. You just put it down. So for those of you who can't garden, just buy everything together and just put it down. Just throw some fertilizer, it should be perfectly fine. So today, you're gonna watch Chanel do that. And she's gonna make these
Watch
flowers
us.
look
Us
beautiful.
do that.
Yeah, we're gonna do it, but you're gonna actually do it. All right. So, there you go. You're gonna make, go ahead. Let me help you out. You can make a, so it gotta be that big.
I did this when I was in middle school. Oh look, there's a worm.
Yeah, there's a worm.
Oh wow. Ooh.
All right, you could keep digging now.
All right, here you go, wormy.
There you go. And in the back of this bed, we're basically gonna have dahlias coming all the way up. If you look right here, there's dahlias already shooting up. But in the front, we're gonna have the SUPERTUNIAS Vesta White in the front. We're gonna have them in like 3 rows, so it looks nice.
I think this is good.
You sure?
No,
That
I
look
don't
a little
know.
small. All right. You're right.
Yeah. All
It's
right.
good.
Good.
Girl, you know your stuff. So all right, you want to throw some fertilizer in there. Got the fertilizer. Good. This basically feed the plants all season long.
Is it good?
Give it some more, because it's 3 plants. All right, you want to mix that up. It's gonna feed the plants all season long, so you don't gotta worry about fertilizing it. And you can come out here and look at your beautiful bed. There you go. You wanna tap it.
I gotta take it out, right?
Yeah, but tap it all the way around. There you go.
I'm a pro.
And then, you're looking like one.
All right, so now I'm gonna lift it up, right?
You could hold it upside down like this. Go upside down. You wanna go like that?
So much for that pro stuff.
Right, then you pull it up, see? This is
Oh
considered...
yeah, and I saw you in one of your videos, you were like pulling the roots.
Yeah, it's root bound, so you wanna wake the plant up.
Yeah.
No, it's not It's beautiful. There you go.
I don't want to rip it up either.
Then you put it down. You drop it right down. Look at you go. Look at you go.
I gotta put the dirt back, right?
Right, so you're basically gonna lift it back up. You got this. You wanna make sure you push it in the sides when you push in the dirt. Right. Push it down. Right. There you go. You don't want to miss a spot. This one look pretty ready to go, y'all. I told y'all I get her out here. There you go. This entire bed should be covered with white flowers, dahlias, and even some lilies. And we're gonna move down and do the next one right in the middle. There you go, Chanel. You're good to go. The next 2 down, and we're gonna be finished with this blend. You can't fail with this blend, you guys. You just put this down and wait for blooms. You got gloves on, you can use your hand.
Hopefully we find another worm.
There's worms everywhere. Look. You wanna, you could get in there.
Yeah.
There you go. You could get yours.
Where's mine? Oh, here it is. Okay.
Remember what you did for the first one? And
Yeah, I
just,
gotta throw the seeds
there you
in
go. Yep. Let's repeat the cycle. This fertilizer is not seeds.
Oh yeah, the fertilizer.
Yeah.
Mix it up.
Nice.
Which I'm an old pro.
I know that. I can see.
Yeah. Did this back when I was in middle school, you know?
Yep. That's definitely not yesterday.
Just a couple years ago.
Decades, that
Now
is.
we got a middle schooler, Rich.
Yeah. All right, good. So I'm gonna follow you and do the same exact thing,
Oof.
just so we can speed the process up a little bit. You're doing a very good job.
Thank
I
you,
expect
husband.
you
Thank
to be
you.
running for the hills. I didn't know you were gonna embrace that worm.
I'm an old pro, Rich. I'm an old pro. I like the worms. I just don't like the mosquitoes.
Yeah, I don't mind.
Mosquitoes love me, but I hate them.
Don't do me nothing.
They eat me alive.
All right, there we go. This beautiful blend collection from Proven Winners. And I actually bought these plants from Garden Crossing, a really good website. But you gotta buy them or order them on time, or else they're gonna be sold out. That's nice. That's the Silver Fall. That's blended in there. You can see
This?
it. No, this is the Silver Falls.
Oh.
Yeah, it's very beautiful. Yeah.
I mean, to be honest, it look a little bit like.
Yeah, you gotta bring it. It comes up over the bed and just hang all the way down. Give it time and you'll see. You'll be proud of your work a month from now.
Hard work.
Awesome job.
Go.
3 up top. Nice. So this variety that we're putting down is the lemon coral sedum and the wicked witch and the, I think, lemon blaze. Look how beautiful this pot looks. Again, this is it's a blend of plants together. It's called the blended family, and this is really, really pretty. You put this down, you good all season, and you guys know how the sedums look.
Oh, look. I don't know what that is,
That's a bug.
but it's a bug.
Don't
This is
lose track
why-
of what you're doing.
This is why you gotta do this stuff with gloves on. Cause I like worms and these bugs are nice to look at, but I don't want them on
It's
my
just a
like,
bug.
on my actual body or like touching me. Wow. Okay.
What happened?
I gotta get the fertilizer.
Okay, see the bug?
Yeah.
Let's take it out.
Why? It's supposed to be in there.
Okay, I'll get you the fertilizer. It's supposed to be
You
in
did
the
tell me to bring it, you know. You see that bug train?
There you go.
Oh, thank you.
You might want to open that hole a little bit bigger.
Okay. So I'm just gonna push it then. I think that should be
just-
fine, right?
You wanna like carve it out, like, you know what I mean? So you could get the dirt back around the plant.
Okay.
It's a little bit bigger.
Ooh. Then all the food's going out.
It's fine. Once it stays inside of the bed, you're good.
Okay.
You do the same thing with this one that you did with the last one.
Look, Rich, I watch all your videos. That's how I know all this good stuff.
Awesome.
All right. Okay.
Oh, nice.
Okay, and I gotta kind of like lift it up some.
You really didn't have to do this one, but it's pretty.
Oh,
It's fine.
okay. Yeah, it didn't have that many roots like the other ones.
Yeah. Did you?
I'm just gonna kind of hold it up so it'll stand up.
Yeah, that's a pretty good tactic to use.
I think this one has enough dirt around it.
Yeah, you look pretty good. No, this one.
Yeah, I'm trying to. Oh, I thought I was gonna do one here. There's nothing that goes here?
No, nothing goes there. We'll
Oh.
put something
Okay.
different in the center. I got a nice centerpiece that I want to put there.
Oh, okay.
Awesome.
This one felt like less compact than the others when I took it out.
All right, you're doing a really good job for that one. I actually have a centerpiece that I'm gonna give to you, and you could basically put it in the center.
Mm-hmm.
And
Now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
As soon as you finish with that one. See, I like the way you lift it up, because that's how the sedum is. You can just pick them up. They're really strong plants. You can actually step on them.
Okay.
That looks lovely. So this one, you can just put in the center right over there.
It looks dead.
It looks dead, but it's good.
It says May Night Salvia.
Yeah, those are the salvias.
Okay. So I'm gonna.
Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna use my hands this time.
I like it better.
With the hands?
Yeah.
Me too.
Just make things way faster.
Yeah, I agree.
You got to go a little deeper. You can measure it with the container. If you put the container down like that, see?
Yeah.
You can actually go. You got to go a little bit deeper.
Yeah.
Don't worry about the dirt. The dirt gonna stay in the bed.
Okay, just a little bit deeper.
Just a little bit. You can widen it a little bit too if you want.
Okay. I think this should be good.
Yeah, that looks good.
Yeah.
Let me help you out. Let me give you some of that.
This thing needs some water.
That's definitely root bound. Yep, I had it in the corner for a while.
And it don't smell good.
It smelled great to me.
Smell kind of like, I don't know, manure.
There you go, guys. These blends in the mid-July, this bed should look stunning. Imagine cover with sedum and the midnight and the color blaze. It's just gonna look stunning. See how the top is poking out a little bit? I know it's good, but you want it you could cover that with dirt. Make sure all the roots is covered up. There you go. And the rest of the dirt, you could just re-spread it back on the bed.
Okay. Ooh, there's a bug over there. I don't know if it's trying to dig out or dig in.
I don't like this trying to get back down like that. But yeah, this is basically it. Janelle, you did an awesome job.
Well, thank you, husband. Thank you. Thanks for watching our video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.
Definitely helped the YouTube algorithm. And yeah, this been a couple edition. We really wanted to do something like this, special for you guys.
Let us know if you liked it in the comments. And then maybe I'll make another guest appearance.
Hopefully. Because in July months, the mosquito come out. And
that's true.
she's not going to come out.
I get eaten alive, okay? I get eaten alive.
I'm going to be out here, but you know, we really appreciate you guys, you know, especially when you like the video. So thank you so much, and we'll catch you guys
on the next one.
We out.